Hello everyone and welcome to this Moodle tutorial. In this Moodle tutorial, you will be able to learn on how to install Moodle application on your mobile device. So in Google Play Store, type Moodle and click install. Since I already installed it on my phone, I can now go back to my home and click the Moodle application. You have to know your Moodle site. Type your Moodle site address here. You can ask your admin or teachers for that. After typing your site address, click connect to your site. Now that you are already connected to your site, you can now enter your username and password. After typing your username and password, click login. You can now see your site home address. I can access my courses through my mobile devices, and I can also see my notifications here. Aside from that, you can manage your own profile information, complete activities offline, check your up-to-date course grades, log in via MS Office or Facebook, never miss an important deadline or communications, easily send search for messages, and do more of your studies on the go, and view your course progress anytime. So for all the latest information, please see docs.moodle.org. So that's all. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Bye.